When starting my career as a freelance video editor, I had zero knowledge about how it works, how to get clients, and how to get paid. But after working for almost 3 years, I can say that it has changed my life, gave me lots of amazing opportunities, connected me with clients worldwide, and given me the flexibility to work whenever and wherever I want. Although same as other jobs, it came with many responsibilities, struggles, and self-discipline. In today's video, I'm gonna walk you through how to become a freelancer in 7 easy steps. First up, figure out what you're good at. There are endless opportunities for freelancers. For example, if you're interested in graphic and design, you can look into logo and brand identity, web and app design, art and illustration, just to name a few. Each category is divided into more focused and specific skills. Now I know that's a lot. One thing that helped me figure out what I wanted to do was to ask myself, what's the one thing I would do forever and for free? Give yourself some time to think and really reflect. Take as much time as you need. It took me 3 years to figure it out. Step 2, which is the fun part, is to create and build a portfolio. Suppose you're just starting. No worries, I was too. I used my YouTube channel as my portfolio, and I barely knew how to edit at that time. So I started with the bare minimum, and it didn't minimize the chance of success. I've worked with lots of big influencers with that portfolio. So your portfolio doesn't need to be perfect. It just needs to show off your best work. Practice a lot and make sure that you incorporate new skills for each project. Step 3. Define your niche. It's important to determine your niche and specialize in specific skills. As I mentioned previously in step 1, there are a lot of niches you can choose from in one category. Explore your interest. It is important to have a niche as it will be easier and faster to attract clients. Step 4. Set your pricing. There are 2 ways to get clients. One is to use websites, which will help you connect with clients who are actively searching for your skills, and 2 is to search the clients yourself. Each method has its advantages and disadvantages. If you're using a website, it will help you to get your first clients faster and it's more secure. It will protect you from scams and everything is organized, starting from the orders to payments. You'll be paid bi-weekly. The downside is every transaction will be cut by 20%, including tips. If you work alone, as in if you're searching the clients and doing all your work yourself, the advantage will be you will not get the 20% cut, and you can be paid before or after the project, depending on your agreement with the client. But the disadvantage will be you'll have to be extra careful with who you work with. Make sure it's someone you can trust. If you're just starting, I would highly recommend using websites such as Fiverr and Upwork. These websites are amazing. You can build your portfolio and get reviews, which is so helpful to boost your profile. Each website has its pricing method. If you're using Fiverr, you can only charge per project. If you're using Upwork, you can charge per project or per hour. Now, this is very important, so make sure you pay attention to this part. When it comes to pricing, you have to be smart. Look at your competitors and see what they offer and their pricing. If you have no experience, mark your price lower, but keep the offer the same as your competitor. Once you understand the game and build your confidence, you can change your price anytime. If you already have experience, keep the price the same as your competitors but provide more service. If they offer 3 services, you can offer 4 or 5 services. The point is you have to make yourself stand out. Step 5. Pitch and apply for jobs. If you're using Fiverr, the clients will reach out to you. So make sure your profile, your gigs, and everything is set. If you're using Upwork, the clients or you can apply to any jobs that are listed. Start small and build reputation. This is a long process. It took me 3 months to get my first client after I listed my gigs. You can use it to learn more about freelancing and improve your skills. Manage your finances and contracts. If you're using a website, it will keep track and organize your transaction. And of course, you don't have to worry about the contracts. However, now that I'm no longer a freelancer, I keep all my finances and contract on Notion, and also my deadline. Keep learning and evolving. I offer 3 revisions after submitting my first draft. Some people accepted it right away. Some people asked for a little bit of change. Some people gave me 3 pages full of notes. You can use the opportunity to learn and understand their preferences so that next time when you work together again, you can complete the project faster, minimize the chance of revisions, and satisfy your client. That will help you build trust and connection, and hopefully do more work together in the future. So there you have it, your ultimate guide to starting freelancing. Let me know in the comments what you think of this video and if it's helped you out. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.